stages, welcome to the playoffs. ISPL Season 2 Qualifier 1 welcomes you with open arms. Maji Mumbai, table toppers versus number 2 on the points table, Falcon Risers Hyderabad. Maji Mumbai, the team that has been the best so far. They won the toss, they chose to field. Talk about Maji Mumbai, you talk about match winners. You talk about Rajat Munde, you talk about the all-rounder in Abhishek Kumar Dalor. Talk about Falcon Risers Hyderabad, Kishan Satpute. A whole lot will depend on him, Manibhai. He has to go big, go grand.
Yes, absolutely.
Pradmesh Matre, 26 runs, a strike at a 104. Of course, his bat has not done the talking. Is Kishan Satpute. Rajinder Singh will be bowling the first time. Full toss, but they've got a fielder for that. Big shot, wicket! They think they've got it. Yes, they've got the big man. This is a mighty big scalp. Satpute walks back to the pavilion. Maji Mumbai are rejoicing, and why not?
वापस जाना होगा सतपुते को. एक और फेलियर, 3 पर 1.
Akash Jangir, strike at a 120. ये हवा में विकेट नंबर 2. Maji Mumbai on a roll. Ankur strikes.
पहली बॉल धीमी गति की थी. मुझे लगता है इसमें कंधे का अतिरिक्त इस्तेमाल किया था और थोड़ी सी स्पीड डाल दी थी बॉल में. आउट हुए प्रदमेश मात्रे 4 रन बनाकर 7 पर 2.
Maji Mumbai on top. Vishwajit Thakur comes to bat at number 4. Wicket number 3. Maji Mumbai on top.
अंकुर के लिए विकेट नंबर 17 इन द ISPL.
निराश किया, एक बनाया, 9 पे 3. 9 matches, not too many on the board for him.
He certainly can, because that's gone a long way. First 6 of the innings, courtesy of that free hit, courtesy of Akash Jangir. What a time to do it. And that's also a great strike from Akash Jangir. Back-to-back boundaries for Akash in Hyderabad. And this is exactly what they needed to get this innings going.
और दोनों बल्लेबाजों की मंशा यही होगी कि दोनों ही अगले ओवर तक क्रीज पर बने रहें. ओ फिसले विकेट. हम बात कर रहे थे वहां पर ठहरने की. फिसले गिरे, उठ ना पाए.
खूटा तोड़ के भागते आकाश कई बार, ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है.
आकाश जंगीर 23 उन्होंने बनाए, 38 पे 4. श्रेयस स्ट्राइक रेट देखिए 154 का है. ओ विकेट गिरी है, बेल्स गिर गई. ये क्या हो रहा है?
और ये काम पहली बार नहीं हुआ, इस बार क्लीन बोल्ड हुए. रफ करते हैं वहां पे विजय पावले. बहुत बार देखा मैंने. 0 पे आउट हुए सुरेश आज के मैच में, 38 पे 5.
संभाजी पाटिल ये विस्फोटक अंदाज में बल्लेबाजी कर सकते हैं. उनके स्ट्राइक रेट में मच जाइए. हवा में शॉट, फील्डर नीचे, फील्डर के हाथों में गेंद. जी हां, अंकुर ने कोई गलती नहीं की. 50-50 ओवर अभी तक माजी मुंबई के पक्ष में.
गेंद में रफ्तार है, गेंद में हाई पॉइंट रिलीज है. 5 पे आउट पर अब जो 44 पे 6.
बेस्ट बॉलिंग एनालिसिस इनके नाम है 4 for 6. आज मगर बल्ले से दरकार है कि आप रन यहां पर बनाइए और इस गेंद पर बड़ी स्ट्राइक लगानी होगी. हवा में खेली जरूर, छक्का मारा जरूर. अपनी टीम को इस छक्के से 50-50 ओवर चैलेंज जिताया. ठेपू आपके मुंह में की शक्कर 55 पीछे. फुल टॉस हाथों में. जी अमित नायक जहां जा रहे हैं, केंद्र का पीछा कर रही है और वो गेंद को लपक रहे हैं.
7 पे आउट कप्तान. 57 पे 7 हैदराबाद.
मंसूर
बड़ी शॉट लगाने की कोशिश. बॉल इज इन द एयर. अभिषेक तलोर. He normally doesn't miss them. What a great attempt that was.
Generally he takes that. There we go. And almost was there.
Oh, what a delivery! That was Vijay Pavle special. He bowls these Yorkers so well, so consistently.
Mansoor KL has scored 3, Hyderabad 61 for 8. Parveen Kumar. That was a nice flat batted shot. Is he looking at the fielders? No, he's not, but it's a chance for the fielder at point, and it's taken. Mahendra Chandan coming under it with the reverse cup, the Australian style. But more importantly, he's taken the catch, and it's Vicky Boyd who has to walk.
Boyd ने बनाया 8 run, 69 for 9.
Irfan Umair.
Oh, that should be close. He's gone. He's gone for a review. कोई चांस नहीं है, जाना पड़ेगा आपको. सही डिसीजन. 9.4 overs, 70 all out. That should not be a big problem for Maji Mumbai.
The target for Maji Mumbai to make it again to the finals of the ISPL is 71 runs.
251 रन है रजत मुंडे के नाम, 144 के स्ट्राइक रेट से.
Mohammad Nadeem, the strike rate of 146, just 150 runs so far. Vishwajit Thakur, an economy of 9.5 for him, 9 wickets to his name. Starts with some speed. Rajat Munde swings, not exactly where he intended to, but over the field and mid-on. Cow corner can't stop him, and Rajat Munde does what he usually does for Maji Mumbai.
फिर से बड़ी शॉट, इस बार 6 रन. रजत मुंडे इन हिज ओन. फिर से तेज गेंद हवा में, फील्डर वहां मौजूद. ये पहला झटका. व्हाट अ कमबैक. विश्वजीत ठाकुर, पहली विकेट उनके नाम. रजत मुंडे ने बनाए 10 रन, 12 पर 1.
He's a star, Yogesh Penkar. And it's been, chance at the non-striker's end. Yogesh Penkar had given up. The direct hit would have been the second wicket for Maji Mumbai. Lucky Yogesh Penkar.
इस बार ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर खराब गेंद. बहुत कम ऐसे मौके देखे हैं विकी बॉयर को इस तरह की खराब गेंद डालते हुए.
वापस जाना पड़ेगा. मंसूर ने अपना काम कर दिया है. लाइन और लेंथ दोनों सटे. गेंद ऑफ स्टंप से छोड़ती हुई बाहर गई. कीपर ने भी हल्का सा बैरियर बनाने की कोशिश की, तब तक गेंद आ गई.
चलिए दूसरे विकेट का पतन होगा. मैच में थोड़ा रोमांच. निराश होंगे. नदीम 5 बनाए, 23 पे 2. दिशा भी, दूरी भी, दुर्दशा भी. 6.
What a shot that is. He has picked up the leg so early. It's gone for a big old heave and should come back for the second, but guess what? It split the two fielders. It goes for 4. And again, that is a decent strike, but an even better catch, running backwards. That's got to be one of the best catches of the tournament from Prathamesh Thakre. Running back, takes it where long off would have been. What a grab and what a moment from Prathamesh Thakre. Mahendra, 19 of just 9 deliveries, and Mumbai now 50 for 3. In walks Abhishek Dalhor. Here we go. If they score 14 runs in this over, the match is done. That is massive. That is out of here. Going, gone. Abhishek Dalhor, welcome to the party. Wow, that is some strike. Can he get the job done? That's up in the air. Man coming around, takes catching and does it as well. Great grab by Prabjot. And Abhishek Dalor, looking to get the job done in this over, has just put Maji Mumbai in a little spot of bother. But what a catch again.
अभिषेक आउट हुए 8 बना के 59 पे 4.
In walks the captain, Vijay Paule. Now they need one run from this ball to successfully get this 50-50 challenge. And calmly, with that composure of a captain, Vijay Paule gets the job done. And by virtue of that, it is a 15-run over for Maji Mumbai. Not far away now from this total. 6 runs needed, 7 gone. And would you believe it, just as we said that, it's gone straight to the man and shot fine leg. And Vijay Paule has to depart.
हालांकि मुंबई बहुत आगे है पर विजय आउट हो गए 68 पे 5.
In comes Amit Naik.
Smacks it. That is it. Mazi Mumbai have marched into the final of ISPL Season 2 in style. Rampaging form, clinical, sharp, precise, bang-on performance. Well done, Mazi Mumbai, and congratulations to you.
And they deserve it. The kind of cricket that they've played all throughout this ISPL Season 2, they deserve to be where they are.
Mazi Mumbai are right there. They won by 5 wickets.
71 the target for Mumbai. Maji Mumbai won by 5 wickets with 11 balls remaining.
Looking at this, qualifier 1, the winner makes it straight to the final. The tournament doesn't end for the loser here. They'll play the winner of tomorrow's game.